Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for my friend 108 in Maui on the Ranger RCI 99N4. 108, we got you ready to go. Tune alignment and voltage regulator upgrade. See what this beast is doing. Our power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Just a hair under 25 watts. Roll it all the way up. 125. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. That 225 bird. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Smack right in the corner. 500 watt in the corner for you, 108. Then you can flip this off if you just want to run the radio, 40 or 50 watts. You're good to go. 108, we're going to get this over to the islands. Appreciate it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Aloha and bump bump.